Greetings everyone. Right here we have a newly installed front rack for our Lectric XP 3.0. Let's break that down. Lectric does provide all the necessary tools and supplies in their front rack kit for installation, but I found it useful to have a number 10 metric wrench, a 4mm and 5mm long hex keys, scissors, Loctite, and a torque wrench. The first thing you'll do on your Lectric XP 3.0 is unscrew the headlight from the fender, then reattach the fender and torque it to 7 Newton meters. Unscrew the mounting bolts on the head tube. Treat the bolts with Loctite before mounting on the front rack and torque to 7 Newton meters. Locate the headlight connection and disconnect the two cables. You'll need to make a cut in this wrap in order to pull out the headlight cable and reconnect the extension. There is a hook at the top of the rack to help secure the cables. Mount the headlight onto the front rack using a 5mm hex key and a number 10 metric wrench to tighten down this nut. Connect the headlight to the extension cable and secure the cable with the provided zip ties. The weight capacity for the front rack is 13 kilograms or about 28 pounds. The headlight's new position is limited by the front wheel. Angling it downward will contact the wheel, so the headlight is more useful in helping other drivers see you than lighting the road in front of you. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video was informative.